Alright, we're back again. We're back here at Former Britain's Best Lawn. It's the 11th of March. We're going to do a micro renovation and get this lawn ready for Easter so it's absolutely banging come Good Friday. So what we're doing is we're just going on with Ye Old Faithful, giving it a scarify. Okay, so we've done the scarifying. Not gone too close, but there's quite a lot of stuff come up. So hopefully I can get on that with the mower. We don't have to rake it up. If I do have to rake it up, that's fine, but I think we've just about got away with it. So let's get the hater out. We'll get this sucked up. I'll do double stripes today so we've got nice guidelines for our products. Go on with the cylinder and then we'll get the feeds on and then come back in 2 weeks and let's see how it looks for Easter. Okay, so we're just going over with the hater. I've got it on number 3 and it's doing a great job at picking up all that foliage. We don't need to go on with a rake or anything like that. So we just carry on mowing it up and then that's job done. Okay, so that's the lawn cut with the hater. Picked all that grass up really nice. Now going on with the sterling, I've got it set at 25mm. I tried it on 30 and nothing came up or off really, so I've just knocked it down to 25 and we'll roll with that, see where we end up. Okay, so that's the cylinder cut done. Can you just see how it's more defined now? And we took off a full box, so that's good. So anyway, we're down to 25mm. Let's have a close look. Bit worm cast damage, but that'll come back when we overseed. But when I put this feed on now and get all the other products on, by the time Good Friday comes, when I plan to cut it, this lawn is going to be something else. So let's get that Rise and Shine on now. I'm using Rise and Shine today just because I've got that on me. But after Easter, you probably just want to use Equilibrium, I would say, unless you've got Rise and Shine left over, and that'd be fine. It's just the Equilibrium's got the slow release on, which is that time of the year as we get the warmer temperatures. That's better for you because it's not going to kick on as much as this will. But we need that kicking on now because we want this recovery. So that's why we're going on with the Rise and Shine now. Okay, so that's the Rise and Shine on. Now, I went on number 29 on the spreader. That's where I usually go around. 27 to 29 is what I recommend. Anything more than that, you run the risk of scorching. But I have put it on at that and never scorched. But if you did that in the summer, you could. So you always be mindful that if you do go on at the higher rates, you've got to put plenty of water on. We don't have to worry at this time of year too much because we've not got the heat. But what we've got tomorrow is plenty of rain, so that's going to help us out watering all these products in. So what we're going to do now is get on with the liquids, and then that job here is done, and then it's just a case of coming back weekly mowing until Good Friday when I plan to do the reveal. So let's get those products on, and then it's time for go on. Okay, so that's the pre-Easter renovations done. All we've got to do now is let Mother Nature do the work for us. It's going to rain tomorrow, so we'll see you back here in 17 days. I think I'm going to do this on Thursday or Friday, which will be Good Friday, and we'll get this out for you. So I'm looking forward to seeing the results, so we'll see you then. But for you, it'll be straight after this transition. We are back 1 week later. The products have kicked in, absolutely fantastic. So we're just going over it with the hater. We're just going to cut it double stripe today, and then later on in the week we can come back and we can start our burning in our bigger stripes that I'm going to do. Just back again, we're just calling in, just giving it a quick cut. Like I said, we're burning in those bigger stripes now, ready for Good Friday. Just going over with the cylinder mower, just to tidy those tips up, and it'll start to thicken up that sward. Okay, so that's the cylinder cut done. Looks epic. What we're going to do now is we're just going to go on with a bit of Dan's winter magic so it looks great for this coming Friday. Alright, so that's the rotary cut done. Just got a load of leaves and buds falling off the horse chestnut up above me, so I'm just going to get out with the Allet Sterling scarified attachment and going to get it all groomed. Okay, so just come down this end for a change because I think we're going to get the better definition of the stripe, so looking good. So let's get that scarified. You can just see it up there at the top, ready to go. Okay, so I've just finished with the scarifier. Job done, picked up everything that we wanted to, all these buds that are falling off the trees and all the new leaves that are blown down in the wind. So spring is here. Okay, so not bad for Good Friday, is it? Good thing with my stripes is we don't need the sun to make them ping, and more importantly on this job we've not used one drop of galactic green yet, so just imagine when we do, it's going to be absolutely epic. Now the funny thing is, next time I'm here after Easter we're going to be stripping all this off. You can think I'm mad, and I'll explain why in that video. But what we're going to be doing is we're going to be doing our normal scalp, scarify, seed and top dress, just because this lawn is now getting on for a year old, so it's time to strip back. Just like if you're decorating, you strip everything back and then start again. But I'll go into more detail next time we're here, but hopefully the sun will come out before I go so I can get some shots for you. But if not, we'll see you next time after Easter when we're doing something else lawn related. Bye for now. Oh yes, the sun came out for us. Lovely, look at that, absolutely fantastic. Looks like the summer.